Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will teach you how to use the grid trading bot on the Binance exchange and earn income automatically. If you do not have a Binance account yet, you can sign up with the link you can find below this video to earn up to a 45% discount on Binance transactions. You can watch our Bitcoin from the scratch tutorial to learn how to. Also, please note that any information that you are about to see is not the financial advisement. If you check our previous videos, we are only here to show you how and why to use crypto-related platforms. Please do your research before investing in anything. And before we start, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, follow our other social media platforms such as our Telegram channel to not miss out on the latest crypto-related news and updates. Now let's get started. Grid markets happen when the market price moves in a direct line, making highs and lows inside a preset area. To identify it, we need to draw resistance and support lines between the low and the high of that asset we would like to trade. You can also watch our technical analysis playlist to learn more about the support resistance zones. We can access the grid trading bot from the strategy trading option. As you can see, we have create strategy, strategy pool, and trading analytics options. For example, on the trading analytics option, you can see the top 10 trading markets and volatility for the spot and futures grid. Or if we click on the strategy pool, we can copy the other traders and trading strategies for the spot and futures grid. And if we choose to create our own, we need to click on this create strategy button. For example, let's create a spot grid. After clicking the button, we need to select the coin from the market. After selecting our coin, we need to do technical analysis to set our target parameters such as our stop loss and take profit levels. We can use the auto option if we don't want to bother ourselves with technical analysis. But I will show you the manual part. Here we need to look at two things. One is the arithmetic geometric option. The arithmetic grid divides the price range from lower to upper price into the number of grids by equal price differences like 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the other hand, the geometric grid divides the price range from the lower to upper price into the number of grids by an equal price ratio like 1, 2, 4, and 8. The second one is the number of our grids. But first thing first, let's go back here and check our support and resistance zones. As you can see, we have these $22,500 and $17,800 as our support and resistance levels, which that means I can open an order for grid trading between 18,000 as the lower price till 22,000 as the higher price. At this point, the grids are very important because after selecting our lower and higher price levels, we need to select how many grids we would like to set. And the higher the grid, the more we need to invest. For example, let's start with 2. If I set only 2 grids, I need to invest a minimum of $43. If I change my grid number from 2 to 4, the minimum amount required to open this position will slightly increase. As you can see, it was $40 something and now it's $68. And if I change it to, for example, 6 grid, it will be like $90. But how does grids work? For example, if I open a position between 18,000 and 22,000, and if I set my grid level to 4, in each $1,000 worth of price movement, the system will automatically buy and sell Bitcoin on my behalf. Or if I decrease the grid level to 2, in each $2,000 worth of price movement, the system will buy or sell for me. I will continue with 4, and that means if the Bitcoin falls back to 18,000, the system will buy it for me and it will sell it on the 19,000. And it will do the same thing when the price will reach back to 20,000 and then again at 21,000, and as final, the system will sell all my Bitcoins and turn into the profit at $22,000. But if I change my grid level to 2, for example, the system will buy it at 18,000, it will sell it at first at 20,000 and then resell it at $22,000. And here we have the advanced option, and from here we can set our trigger price, stop loss, and take profit levels. For example, I want the system to enter on my behalf when the Bitcoin price touches back to $18,000, and I want to put my stop loss level at 17,700 in case if the Bitcoin price falls even lower. And here I will set my take profit level to $22,100. After setting our parameters, we can click on this create button, and after confirming it, our order will be visible at the bottom. And we can cancel our order by clicking on this end button, or we can customize our settings by clicking on this details button. As you can see, we have this futures grid, but I will not show the futures option because futures trading, considering spot trading, is much more dangerous. But but it pretty much works the same way as the spot grid. Watch our Binance Futures Trading playlist and learn more about futures trading. Until that, don't think of opening the futures option as you will lose all of your investments. If this video was educative enough for you, drop a like under the video, subscribe to our channel, and follow our other social media platforms to not miss out on any updates. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.